In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuillBot Citation Generator tool for APA citations. Easy citation. In seconds. If you need fast, accurate APA citations for papers or projects, this walkthrough will take you from a blank browser to a polished reference in just a few clicks, while showing you how to double-check the details so everything meets academic standards. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type QuillBot. From the results, click the official QuillBot website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled View More Tools and select it. From the expanded tools list, choose Citation Generator. This brings you to QuillBot's Citation Workspace, where you can generate references for web pages, PDFs, and more. A quick tip before we begin: make sure the style is set to APA in the Style dropdown. If it's not already selected, switch it to APA so the formatting matches your requirements. Let's create a citation from a web page. Paste the page's URL into the field provided. QuillBot will scan the link and may autofill key information like the author, title, website name, and publication date. Take a moment to review these fields. Ensure author names are correctly ordered. The article or page title is accurate and capitalized according to APA rules, and the date reflects the actual publication or last update. If something looks off or is missing, update the fields so your citation is precise. When everything looks good, click Cite. QuillBot will generate your formatted APA reference. And you'll also see options related to in-text citations. Review the final result to confirm punctuation, italics for titles where needed, and that the URL or DOI is included appropriately. This quick check helps you avoid small errors that can cost points in a grading rubric. You can also cite from a file if you have a document saved. In the same workspace, choose the option to upload a source, then select Upload PDF. Click Upload a file, browse your computer for the correct document, select it, and click Open. QuillBot will attempt to pull details from the file. Because some PDFs don't contain full metadata, verify the author, year, title, and publisher or source information, and fill in any gaps before you proceed to cite. That's it. Navigate to QuillBot, open the citation generator, paste a URL or upload a PDF, review the details, and click Cite. With a quick accuracy check, you'll have clean APA citations ready in seconds.